is an urgent announcement from the Delaware State Police. Jalissa Sanchez, a 14-year-old Hispanic female, is currently missing. She is 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighs 140 pounds, and has brown hair and brown eyes. At the time of her disappearance, she was wearing a white top, a gray and blue hooded jacket, black skinny jeans, and gray shoes. Jalissa was last seen today at A.I. DuPont High School in Wilmington, Delaware, around 2 p.m. She left the school premises walking west on Hillside Road. There is a significant concern for her safety and well-being. If found, contact 911.